I have two packages here from Shop Disney. One is a bag, surprise, and the other one is a box. A very large box that doesn't sound like it's packaged very well, but let's do the bag first. They put the tabs on, but they never work. In the bag, I have a key pin. This is the fireworks key pin that sort of goes along with the mug that I got the other day. I ordered them at the same time. I'm seeing a little bit of stress on this pin. Let me get this out of the bag and we're going to take a look at this. The actual pin part of the pin here is completely bent. Can you see it right there? Completely bent that way. I'm going to have to do some surgery on this and very carefully get it back the way it's supposed to be. So that makes me a little upset, but the card's in good condition. I've repaired pins like this before, so hopefully that's not going to be a huge issue. Flash forward just a few minutes and you'll see that I have repaired the pin. It is no longer at a funky angle, and we will put it back on the board perfectly up and down. Perfectly up and down from that angle. No harm, no foul. Now let's get to the box. Tissue paper, advertisement, and one little thingy of air cushion wrap. Does nothing for the fact that I have two pins in this box. Let's take a look at what pins I have. If you notice the shirt I'm wearing, this is the Food and Wine Festival. Well, the other day on Shop Disney, they released two Food and Wine Festival pins. One is this little cutting board, and it's actually a rotating one, and I've been waiting to see what's on the other side because I've seen no pictures of it. We're gonna see it here first. The other one is an annual pass holder pin. I'm no longer an annual pass holder at this point, but I was able to buy the pin. In the past, whenever I've tried to do annual pass holder purchases, I usually get to the checkout and they go, oh, you can't buy this. Well, this time, here it is. So let's take a look at this pin. This is just one of the many food and wine pins for this year. You ready for it? I'm gonna flip it over. Finally, I get to see what's on the other side. There it is. It actually has a picture of Spaceship Earth, and it says EPCOT's International Food and Wine Festival 2021, and this thing just flips like that. I'm a happy camper. I finally figured out what was on the other side. Go online, try it, I challenge you. Find a picture of the opposite side of the pin. You won't be able to find it. Did you pick up your 2021 Food and Wine Festival merchandise from Shop Disney? Not all of it's on there, but there was quite a bit. And there still is. These pins are still listed. Put it in the comments below whether you picked up your food and wine pins and other merchandise. But until next time, remember, no capes.